what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm Katie. I'm the president for AMSA Hilo, and we did start this unit on CV building and workshop, and we discussed a lot about, like what goals we might have for building our CV, but also just about the, unique little parts that make us a competitive candidate and an outstanding candidate, right? So we talked about that, and then we got to meet Marvin, who's an awesome member of AMSA, and maybe Marvin could share a little bit of what he talked about.
Well, I've talked about first how we can improve our CV, and basically what I did is searching for research opportunities, which I luckily hopefully found this week actually, and this is also a very good. I mean, this is very important for the CV to have a research to tell a story about how you struggle, or so how you solve the problem. So, and I think also in general, telling a story when it comes to like other curriculums, activities like volunteering, or we talked a lot about like maybe like having like not. I'm basically I was the president of a nonprofit organization, helped a lot of people, and but we don't have to basically have the like a nonprofit organization or something to make a good story for our CV. We just have to have something unique, which makes us yes basically different to other people, which is important because medical schools they see the MCAT, everybody has an MCAT, GPA, everybody has a GPA, so everybody has basically a lot of stuff the same, good GPA, good MCAT. But what is the difference is that your story. The story is the difference. How you basically make an impact in other people's lives, in your life. How you struggled and how you figured something out. How you came out of suffering or something. I didn't talk about it in the meeting, but this is something I think came in my mind right now, and I think this is something what we talked a lot about, the uniqueness of the CV, the resume. I didn't know what CV was before, but it's some kind of like a resume, like overall lifetime resume. And yeah, I think that's just, I mean, we talked 1 hour, I think, but this is basically the main topics, I think, what we talked about. And also about the MCAT and this yeah, basically a little bit about the MCAT, how we who basically start to study right now or want to do the MCAT in the near future, in the 1 year or whatever. So I think there were a couple of people who wanted to, and I think maybe there's a group out there already who wants to meet. I don't know.
I mean, Marvin is basically doing my whole job. He should just get my title.
Sure.
Yeah, he wrapped up basically a lot of what this meeting was about. It was a successful meet and greet. Next, we're going to be having either a guest speaker or a meeting about our MCAT. So that's something to look forward to. Yeah, but we were just kind of introducing the new CV workshop that we're going to be doing year long as far as Corona goes, to stay digital. So yeah, so that's what we talked about in this meeting, and I think we're good.